Hello, welcome to the MBH Show. I'm Matthew, and this is my show. We're going to Park Avenue, Tustin, California, Costco to see what wines are on sale. Let's not mess around and let's get going. Okay, so first we have Swanson Vineyards Old Vine Zinfandel. This is a 2020, and Swanson tends to make some pretty good wine. This is $21.99 regularly, $10 off, making it $11.99, and it expires, the sale expires 12/24/2023. Now we have Campillot Medoc. This is a red Bordeaux. It's a 2015 red Bordeaux. They didn't have many of these. They had cases of them, but I've not seen this one before, so this one was new to me. This was $18.99 minus $5, making it $13.99, and the sale expires 12/31/2023. 93 out of 100 by wine enthusiasts, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. Next we have Sebastiani. This is a 2019 red blend, and it's aged in bourbon barrels. It's from North Coast, and it is normally $12.99. It's $4 off, making it $8.99, and the sale expires January 21st, 2024. Here we have Headline, and this is a 2021 Zinfandel, and it's a nice contrasty, complex design bottle with green, little fluorescent-y, but also not. It is $21.99 regularly. It's $10 off, making it $11.99. The sale expires January 14th, 2024. And Costco during holiday season has a lot of wine, ones that I don't normally see, and this is just a glimpse of what they had on display set up for the holidays. So next we have Fleury by Fleury Estates. It's a 2015 Cabernet Sauvignon. This one I can't wait to try also. Haven't tried it yet. But it's normally $99.99. It's $30 off, making it $69.99. And the sale expires 12/31/2023. Here we have Stag's Leap, the Investor. It is a 2019 red blend. And come to find out, there's two types of Stag's Leap. This one I've had before, excellent. Did a review on it. It's regularly $49.99. $10 off, making it $39.99, and the sale expires February 4th, 2024. This one I've said many times, love the labels from this company. It's a Rabble Wines. It's a 2020 red blend from Paso Robles. And just dig the labels. Labels are awesome. So this is normally $12.89. It's $3 off, making it $9.89, and the sale expires January 7th, 2024. Cool dragon. This is Harvey and Harriet. It's a 2021 red blend. I have also not tried this yet, and I'm looking forward to it. And it's by My Favorite Neighbor, San Luis Obispo wine. And it's normally $25.99. It's $4 off, making it $19.99. And the sale expires 12/31/2023. Here we have Beringer from Napa Valley. This is a 2018 Merlot. I've actually been to this vineyard. It's very nice, it's beautiful, and I did purchase some wine there. So this is normally $26.99. It's $12 off, making it $14.99, and the sale expires January 7th, 2024. Beringer. This is Clipsun 2020 Red Blend, and this is actually from Washington, Red Mountain, and totally looking forward. Haven't tried it yet. Totally looking forward to that one. This is normally $54.99. It's $15 off, making it $39.99, and the sale expires 12/31/2023. Clipsun. This one have not bought. Cherry Pie 2021 Pinot Noir, and have not tried it. It's from San Pablo Bay Vineyard, and I need to buy it because it seems to go on sale. So it's $39.99 regularly, it's $10 off, making it $29.99, and the sale expires January 28th, 2024. This one I've had and I love. It's Martin Ray's Synthesis. It's a 2020 Cabernet Sauvignon, and this is from Napa Valley. It gets 93 points from Wine Enthusiast, so it is a very good wine. It's normally $43.99. It's $15 off, making it $28.99, and the sale expires 12/24/2023. That's good. Here is another good one. This is a 2018 Cabernet Sauvignon by Provenance. This is a Napa Valley wine. Gets 95 points from Wine Enthusiast, and it's well deserved because it is very good. And it's normally $36.99. It's $10 off, making it $26.99, and the sale expires January 21st, 2024. This is one we've had and done a review on. It's Educated Guess. It's a 2021 Cabernet Sauvignon from Oakville, Napa Valley. It's a clever name with a clever logo. And it's normally $49.99. It's $25 off, making it $24.99, and the sale expires 12/24/2023. Educated Guess. And why they have some orange and blue, I do not know. This is another one we've tried. It's a 2021 Cabernet Sauvignon by Oblivion. This is from Paso Robles, California. Oblivion. It gets 90 points from Wine Enthusiast, and it's normally $15.99. It's $6 off, making it $9.99, and the sale expires 12/24/2023. This is one we see all the time. It's a 2022 Cabernet Sauvignon. It is Woodwork. It's a California wine. The label doesn't have that much more information on it. It's normally $9.49. It's $4 off, making it $5.49. And the sale expires 12/31/2023. Woodwork Cabernet Sauvignon. This is a great wine for the price. It's a 2022 Cabernet Sauvignon Precision by Precision Wine Company. This is a Napa Valley wine, and it gets 91 points from Wine Enthusiast. Very good wine, well worth it when it goes on sale. Like it is, $22.99 normally. It's $10 off, making it $12.99 for that. And the sale expires 12/24/2023. Gets 91 points from Wine Enthusiast. So thank you again for joining me. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you next time.